All right, we are going to work on the last three letters for our handwriting series. After this, we've worked on every letter in the alphabet. It's hard to believe, isn't it? All right, we're going to work on X, Z, and Q. U goes together. QU says qua. All right, so let's start with the X. X says x, x, like the end of box. So get your paper and make a slanted line. Start on the left, pull down to the right, then come up to the top, and pull down to the left. X marks the spot. Okay. X. Good. Slant, slant. Good. One more time. Slant. That's the first stroke. Then slant the other way. Okay, practice it a few more times till you feel comfortable. All right, I feel good. How about you? You feel good? Let's move on. Grab your screen mesh, grab your paper, grab your crayon. And I'll zoom in so that we can get going. All right, first up, start at the dotted, pull down to the bottom line. Start at the dotted, pull down to the bottom line. All right, let's feel it. Okay, make your next one. Feel it, make your last one. And feel it. Okay, let's get rid of the screen mesh. Let's get your pencil. Put your pencil on the line and pull down with a slant. Start at the dotted, pull down with a slant. You want to try to get your lines to connect in the middle. If your lines are connecting way up here, you want to work on getting it to connect in the middle. It's not always perfect, like this one's not perfect, but it will do. It's okay. Just try to keep working on that. All right, let's keep working. Keep making X's, trying to hit it right in the middle. I think that last one I did was my best, till you get to the end. All right, I've got some really good ones in there. I've got some okay ones. Find the one that you like the best and give it a circle. All right, let's go on to the letter Z. Z says zzz. So let's get our sand. Z's get made backwards a lot too by kids. It's real easy to make Z's backwards. So follow along with me first. Start on the left, pull to the right, then come down like you're doing that first line of the X, actually the second part of the X, and then back. And that's it. Let's try it again. Start on the left, pull over, down, over. Now look at your Z, look at mine, see if they're facing the same way. That's why we practice it in the sand. Ready? To the right, come over, and back. Very good. Start on the left and go over to the right, diagonal, and over. Very good. One more time. All right, just practice on your own a few times. All right, I feel like I got it. How about you? Grab your screen mesh, put your paper on top, grab your green crayon, I'll zoom in. All right, 3 parts to the Z. Ready? Over, diagonal, over. Let's feel it. Continue, do your next one. Let's feel it. Do your last one. Let's feel it. Okay, let's get your pencil out. Okay, starting on the line, go over, go down diagonal, and then go back over. Very good. Is it facing the right way? Okay, let's keep practicing on our own now. Over, diagonal, over. Did you touch both the dotted line and the bottom line? Over, down, over. Keep practicing on your own now. take a look at your best one. I like this one as my favorite. Give him a happy face. Looks like he's sleeping. Z is for sleeping. Z. Wait, yeah, I think that's sleeping. Okay, our last letter is Q, U together. Now, this Q is made with a curve. You also might see Qs made with a point. Both are okay. Both are correct. We're going to practice with this curve today. All right, let's start with our Q. Q is a basement letter, so I'm going to draw my line. We're going to start by making a C that touches the line and makes a circle. Lift up your finger, and you're going to come down and hook it backwards J. That's basically what it is. It's a backwards J hook or backwards G hook. Okay, let's try that again. So just the Q here. Actually, we'll do the Q and the U this time. I'm sorry. Draw the line. We'll make a circle and connect. Lift up your pencil or your finger and come down and curve. Then we're going to put the U right beside it. Now, why are we doing both Q and U together? Because QU says qua. Qua. Can you say that sound for me? Qua. Sounds like a K or a C at the beginning, but it's not. It's QU. QU starts words like quack, quick, quake. Q always has U with it. They're best buddies. You'll never see a Q all by itself, ever, never. Not in the middle of the word, not at the end or the beginning of the word. Q always has U right by its side. Circle, the hook, which is like a backwards J, and then the U. Your U should be about the same size as the circle on the Q. All right, you try now. Good. You can do it without that line. Now that you've got the idea that the U is the same height as the circle on the Q. All right, got the feel for it? I think I'm ready. Grab your screen mesh. Grab your green crayon. I'll zoom in. All right, QU says qua. Let's start with a circle. Lift up, and then we'll make the little hook that goes backwards. Then we're going to make our U that goes beside it. Qua. Circle, backwards hook, and the letter U, qua. I'm going to trace it with my finger because I forgot to do that the first time. Get rid of our mesh, pick up our pencil, and you can watch for the first one, then follow along. Make a C, close it to an O, start at the line, backwards hook, followed by the U right beside it. QU says qua. You try. I'll wait for a second. Good job. Is your circle the same size as your U? I hope so. Make sure you're touching the dotted and the bottom. Let's try it again. Circle, hook, U with the stick. Don't forget the stick on the U if you make it correctly. Circle, backwards hook, and a U with the stick. Good job. One more. Circle, backwards hook, U with the stick. All right, find the one that you think looks the best. Give it your bestest smiley. Come up to the top, put your name and number at the top, and turn it in. Great job, everybody.